The fence is broken. No need to replace the whole fence. Lidded offers the easiest repair solution. Use this Lidded Fence Quick Repair Kit. No more worries about livestock escapings. And no need to waste money replacing the entire fence. Just 3 steps. Cut a suitable length of fence wire. Connect the broken ends. Secure the joints with metal clips. No need to replace the fence. Restore conductivity in minutes. Saves time, effort, and money. Lidded, the fence accessories expert, provides farmers with truly practical solutions.